Hello everyone, I'm Miss Kathy, your friendly guide to the amazing world of human anatomy. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating functions of your kidneys. These bean-shaped organs are like tireless little workers, constantly filtering your blood and keeping your body in tip-top shape. You have two kidneys, one on each side of your spine, tucked snugly below your ribs. Don't let their size fool you. These small organs are powerhouses, filtering about 180 liters of blood every single day. That's like filtering a bathtub full of water, and then some. What do they do with all that filtered blood? The kidneys ensure your body fluids are perfectly balanced, waste products are removed, and your blood pressure stays in a healthy range. They even help maintain the right acid-base balance in your body. Join me as we explore these incredible feats in more detail. Imagine your kidneys as highly efficient filtering factories. Their main job is to clean your blood, removing waste products and excess fluids. This process starts in tiny filtering units called nephrons. Think of nephrons as microscopic sieves. Blood enters each nephron, where it gets filtered under pressure. Water, salts, and small molecules like glucose pass through the sieve, while larger molecules like proteins and blood cells stay behind. This filtered fluid, now called filtrate, contains essential substances your body needs and waste products it wants to get rid of. But the process doesn't stop there. The kidneys are smart filters. They reabsorb essential substances like water, glucose, and electrolytes back into the bloodstream, ensuring your body retains what it needs. Meanwhile, the waste products continue their journey to become urine. Ever wonder how your body stays properly hydrated? Your kidneys are the answer. They act like internal regulators, carefully controlling the amount of water in your body. If you drink a lot of fluids, your kidneys will remove the excess through urine. If you're dehydrated, they'll conserve water, producing less urine. But it's not just about water. Electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and calcium are also crucial for your body's functions. They help transmit nerve impulses, contract your muscles, and maintain your heartbeat. Your kidneys regulate electrolyte levels by adjusting how much of each electrolyte is reabsorbed back into the bloodstream or excreted in urine. Think of it like this. Imagine your body is a well-maintained swimming pool. The kidneys are the pool cleaners, constantly adjusting the water level and chemical balance to keep the water crystal clear and safe for swimming. Pretty cool, right? We've talked about filtering and balancing, but the kidneys are also experts in waste disposal. Remember the waste products filtered out of the blood? They eventually become urine, a cocktail of metabolic byproducts like urea, creatinine, and excess water. Urine travels from the kidneys through tubes called ureters to the bladder, where it's stored until you're ready to urinate. This waste removal system is crucial for preventing toxins from building up in your body. But it's not all about waste. Your kidneys also play a vital role in regulating blood pressure. They do this by controlling the volume of blood in your body and releasing hormones that influence blood vessel constriction. Amazingly, even small changes in fluid balance can affect blood pressure. So, next time you visit the restroom, remember the incredible work your kidneys are doing behind the scenes to keep your body clean and functioning smoothly. Have you heard of pH balance? It's a measure of how acidic or alkaline a solution is, and your blood needs to maintain a specific pH range around 7.35 to 7.45 for optimal health. Too acidic or too alkaline, and things can go awry. That's where your kidneys step in as pH regulators. They constantly monitor and adjust the acidity of your blood by excreting excess acids or bases in your urine. They also produce bicarbonate, a base that helps neutralize acids in the bloodstream. Think of it like a delicate balancing act. Your body constantly produces acids through metabolism, and the kidneys work tirelessly to counteract these acids and keep your blood pH within a healthy range. It's a continuous process of fine-tuning to ensure everything runs smoothly. By now, you're probably appreciating your kidneys a lot more. These remarkable organs work tirelessly to keep you healthy, so it's essential to take care of them. Here are some tips for maintaining good kidney health. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps your kidneys flush out waste products efficiently. Eat a balanced diet. Limit your intake of salt, processed foods, and sugary drinks, which can put a strain on your kidneys. Manage blood pressure and blood sugar. High blood pressure and diabetes are leading causes of kidney disease, so keep them under control. Don't overuse over-the-counter painkillers. Long-term use of NSAIDs, like ibuprofen and naproxen, can damage your kidneys. Get regular checkups. Early detection of kidney problems is crucial for successful treatment. Remember, your kidneys are invaluable assets. By adopting healthy habits and being mindful of your lifestyle choices, you can help these amazing organs function optimally for years to come.